Shopify Product Page Customization tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your Shopify product page. So let's get started. Now to get started, we're going to click on Online Store on the left, and then we're going to click on Customize. Once we click on Customize, this will open up the default home page. We're going to close this up, and on the top, you will have your menu bar, and you're going to click on Home Page. Once you do that, you're going to click on Products, and then click on Default Product. Now we can proceed with customizations of our home page. To get started, first off, you can see your product information. So once you click on this, now we're going to proceed with our product information customization. So to proceed with this, you can see on the left, it shows different color schemes, and we can choose the color scheme we want for our products to be displayed in, like so. This won't impact the rest of the page sections, only the section about your product information. Then you can choose how you want your images to be displayed. So if you want them to be medium, small, or large. Personally, I prefer larger images because a lot of people make purchases based upon, what the product looks like. But if you want, you can prefer and go with smaller images if that's what you like. Personally, for this product, small images look fine because the image itself is pretty tiny. But you can also constrain the media to the screen height. So I can make this a large media file, and this is going to be expanded and people will have to scroll. This I personally do not like because if we do not constrain the media to the screen height, it makes it really difficult for people to have a full view of the product. Especially when you're selling things like clothing, people want to see what the clothing looks like completely. So I would prefer if, clothing websites go for constraining the media, but for makeup and cosmetics and other things, you can choose to not constrain it. Then after that, in your product information, you can choose your media fit if you want it fill or original. I like to go with original. Then we have our desktop layout. So if you want your images to be stacked, if you want them to be in the form of thumbnails, if you want them to have a thumbnail carousel, or if you want them in columns. Personally, I think thumbnail carousels look really nice where we have one main image displayed and then people can scroll across multiple images. Then we also have our desktop media position. So if we want the images on the right or on the left. I like them on the left, but if your store theme is a bit more unique, you can go with the right images as well. Then we have our imaging zoom. So if we want click and hover or open lightbox, this is the click and hover. And then if we open the lightbox, this is going to open up the image like so. Personally, I prefer click and hover because most people do like, being able to focus on individual elements. And then we have mobile layouts. So if you want to hide thumbnails, show thumbnails, I do want to show thumbnails in mobile layouts. If we want to enable video looping or hide other variants of media after selecting a variant. Then we have our section padding and then theme settings. Now we have customized only the product information bit. However, our header and our welcome bar are the same as our normal homepage. Now in our product page, if I want to add more sections, let's say I want to delete the related product, so I'm just going to hide it from here, or I can just click on this and then customize each individual section as well. So if I want to suggest more related products, or instead of it saying you may also like, I want to display something like recommended products or hot sellers, then I can also add that. Now, if we want to add another header or another title to the related product, I can add similar products. And like that, I can display the heading in different sizes if I want it to be extra large, if I want it to be small or medium, whatever my preference is. And I can choose the maximum number of recommended or similar products I want to show, as well as the number of columns on desktop. So after that, we can choose the product card if I want it to be square, portrait, or adapted to the image and the image shape as well. Let's say I want it to be a chevron. This is what a chevron is. And then we have an arch like this. We can also make it a blob. We can make it a diamond, a round, a parallelogram, whatever you prefer. Once you do that, you can choose which type of, settings you want. So if you want to display the second image on hover, if you want to show the vendor, show the product rating, I want to show the product rating, I'm going to enable that. Then we have mobile layouts. Once completed, I can go back and now I can click on add section. Now, it's not necessary that your product pages are limited to only product info, but you can click on add section and add any type of section. This includes images with text, rich images, quick order lists, collection lists, feature products, and many other types of sections. So, moving on, we also have multi columns, multi rows, collapsible content, and other types of sections. But keep in mind, whatever section you add is going to be displayed on all products. So, if you add a section about the benefits of lipstick, but all you have other products like foundations, it might not make a lot of sense. So for this, you're going to click on Save, and to make your product pages more unique, you're going to click on Default Product on the top, click on Products, and then click on Create Template. Now, you're going to make this based upon the default product template, but this is going to be my lipstick template. Now, I'm going to create a specific template, okay? And in that, I'm going to click on Add Section. I'm going to add a rich text section at the bottom. And in that, I'm going to alter the content. So some tips for using our lipsticks. Once I do that, I can add the rest of the content. So we're going to click on that. And I'm just going to do that. Open. You can use the cap for extra lip balm like this, whatever tips I have. Then I have a button in this. I'm just going to remove it. So whatever extra content you want to add, you're going to add it in this template. Then you're going to click on Save. Now, if I exit my store and click on View Your Online Store, if I open up this product, it does not have, the lipstick section. If I open up our curtains, it does not have that section. Now, I only want to add that lipstick section in the lip product. So I'm going to go back, go into products on the left. Then I'm going to open up the product that I want to add that extra section to. Then from here, you're going to see the theme template on the right. So you're going to change it from your default template to the other template that you created, the one that has extra content. Now, if I refresh my store, or I'm just going to reopen the store over here, and if I open up this lipstick, I'm going to take a couple of seconds for these changes to take effect. And what this is going to do is that this will display, so some tips for using our lipsticks. You can use the cap for extra lip balm. This is now added here. However, in my other products, which includes these curtains, this is not being displayed because I did not add the lipstick template to this product template. So you can make individual, unique product pages with Shopify as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.